today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make YouTube recommend your videos to people. Yes, how to make YouTube to recommend your videos for people to see your video. You know, one thing is you creating content, creating nice content, posting it out there. And another thing is for YouTube to help people to see your videos. Yes, for YouTube to recommend your videos to people. So I know so many of us are struggling to get views. So many of us are struggling for our videos to go viral. But in today's video, I'm going to be telling you some of the tips that I tried in my other channels that worked for me, and I pray it also worked for you, because these tips, it helped me a lot. Since I started using these particular tips, my videos have been doing well, my videos have been performing well. Okay, so in this particular video, we are going to be discussing about that. Okay, number one thing that you need to do for YouTube to recommend your videos to people is you putting a nice title. Yes, you putting a nice title. When you finish creating your content, when you finish filming your videos, try to create nice title. Try to use title that when people search on YouTube, your video will be among the videos that will appear in the search bar. It will help people to, see your video first, because when they type, let's say for instance, you are making videos on how to do makeup. Okay, then when you're giving it a title, you are going to be writing something like how to do makeup for beginners. And when people that want to learn how to do makeup come to YouTube to look for such video, if they just type how to do makeup, your video will be among the videos that will appear in the search bar, and they will click on your video and watch. By so doing, you are going to be getting views, and more people will be seeing your videos, because when they search about that kind of content, when they search for how to do makeup, your video will be among the videos that will appear in the search bar, and it will help you to get your views. The second one is your thumbnails. Yes, your thumbnails is the second one that will help people to try to come to your channel. The type of thumbnails that you put in your video will help you to get views, because thumbnails attract people. It's one of the things that attract people. When you put your thumbnails, the title that you're going to write on your thumbnails, it will make people to want to know what you're talking about. It will make people to want to see what is happening in that video, because from the thumbnails, they know what might happen in that video. They might not know what is happening in the video, but through that thumbnails, it have signal to them that this kind of a thing is going to happen in the video. Let's take for instance all these Nollywood movies that we do see on YouTube. You might be strolling your YouTube, but when you see a thumbnail of one kind video like that, you will be like, wow, I want to know what happened. You will see somebody that have a big belly. You want to know what made the person's belly to be big like that. Okay, so thumbnail is among the things that can help YouTube to recommend our videos, and it can also help us to get more views in our videos. Okay, so the third one on my list is you watching your videos. Yes, watch your videos. I know it will be like, how? Let's say for instance, you have so many YouTube channel, or you have so many email. Once you have email account, you already have a YouTube channel. Okay, so you can use other YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, whether you're using it to create content or you're not using it to create content. You can use it to watch your videos. Once you upload video, use your other channels to watch your video. And once you use your other channels to watch your video, make sure you like that video. Make sure you comment on that particular video. You can also collect the phones of people around you. Use their phones to watch your videos. And once you finish watching your video with their phone, drop a comment, like the videos, and you're going to see that it will signal to YouTube that people are interested in that kind of video, and it will make them to push your video. And once they push your video, you're going to be getting so many views in that particular video. Okay, so the last but not the least is your community tab. You see that place that they have community, my dear. Once you post your video, make sure you share it in your community. Yes, it helps a lot. Once you post your video, make sure you share it in that community, because some people might not see your channel through your videos, but they will see it through your community tab. Okay, they will see it from your community, because YouTube also pushes the pictures and the videos you share in your community. So when they did not see it through your videos, when they did not see it through that home or through your videos, they can see it through your community. Okay, So once you finish uploading your videos, share it in your community. Yes, share it in your community. It might help you to get views. It when YouTube start pushing it from that your community, you are going to be getting views, and people are going to even subscribe to your channel through your community. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of this particular video. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, and share this video for me, because it might help a lot of people. Some people that are in this channel, that just joined this channel, that is still struggling to get views, it might help them. So share this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed.